War is changing. With cutting-edge technology and unstoppable firepower, the battlefield of tomorrow is unlike anything we've seen before. From hypersonic missiles to robotic soldiers, these are the top 10 modern and futuristic war weapons that are reshaping warfare. Kicking off our list is the M4 carbine, the go-to assault rifle of modern warfare. Weighing just 7.75 pounds loaded, this beast fires 5.56 by 45mm NATO rounds with an effective range of 600 meters. Whether clearing buildings or engaging in open combat, the M4 is a soldier's best friend. This 155mm lightweight towed howitzer can rain down destruction from up to 25 miles away using precision-guided shells. Used extensively in Afghanistan and Iraq, the M777 combines mobility and firepower, making it a lethal force on the battlefield. Designed by Russia, the S-400 Triumph is the world's most powerful air defense system. It can track 80 targets at once and intercept aircraft, drones, and even ballistic missiles from over 250 miles away. A true ghost in the sky, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is virtually undetectable by radar. It can carry 40,000 pounds of bombs, including nuclear warheads, and strike deep behind enemy lines without ever being seen. Meet Russia's T-14 Armata, the world's first tank with an unmanned turret. Equipped with active protection systems, advanced armor, and a 125mm smoothbore gun, this futuristic tank is built to dominate the battlefield. Nicknamed the mother of all bombs, the GBU-43B Moab is the largest non-nuclear bomb ever used in combat. Weighing 22,600 pounds, it creates a blast radius of over a mile, wiping out enemy strongholds in an instant. Autonomous AI-powered combat drones like the MQ-28 Ghostbat and Bayraktar Kizilelma are changing warfare. These unmanned aerial vehicles can think, adapt, and strike without human control, making them the ultimate force multipliers. Traveling at Mach 5+ speeds, hypersonic missiles like Russia's Avangard and China's DFZF are nearly impossible to intercept. These weapons can hit targets thousands of miles away in minutes, making them a true game-changer in warfare. Forget bullets, laser weapons are here. Systems like the US Navy's LAWS and Israel's Iron Beam use directed energy beams to instantly destroy enemy drones, aircraft, and missiles. Unlimited ammo, speed of light attacks, and pinpoint accuracy make them the ultimate defense system. Imagine an army that never tires, never feels fear, and never misses a shot. AI-powered robotic soldiers and exoskeleton-enhanced troops are the future of war. With projects like Talos, US, and Russia's Fedor, the battlefield is about to be taken over by machines. From stealth bombers to AI-controlled weapons, the future of warfare is faster, deadlier, and smarter than ever before. Which of these weapons shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech videos.